Hi, friends! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of animals. I'm your friend Sassy, and today, we are going to talk about 5 of the most popular animals on the planet. So, let's dive right in. Our first animal on the list is the majestic lion. Known as the king of the jungle, lions are powerful predators found in the grasslands and savannas of Africa. With their iconic mane and fierce roar, they command respect wherever they roam. Next up, we have the gentle giant of the ocean, the humpback whale. These magnificent creatures can be found in oceans worldwide, and their haunting songs can travel for miles underwater. Watching a humpback breach the surface is a truly awe-inspiring sight. Moving on to the skies, we have the magnificent bald eagle, a symbol of strength and freedom. These birds of prey are found throughout North America. With their keen eyesight and powerful talons, they reign supreme in the avian world. Our next animal might be small in size, but it's big in popularity, the adorable red panda. Found in the forests of the Himalayas, these fluffy creatures are known for their playful antics and distinctive red fur. They may look like pandas, but they're actually more closely related to raccoons. Last but certainly not least, we have man's best friend, the loyal and lovable dog. Whether it's a faithful Labrador, an energetic border collie, or a mischievous pug, dogs have earned their place in our hearts as cherished companions and loyal guardians. And there you have it, 5 of the most popular animals in the world. Which one is your favorite? I like that too! Keep exploring, keep wondering, and keep learning. This is your friend Sassy signing off from Kids Wonder Hub. See you in our next adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Bye-bye!